Alright, this is MTG back with you with another video. In this video, we will just work through the BitHarvest dashboard so that you are familiar with it. And it's very easy. So by this time, you should be able to log in into your BitHarvest wallet or dashboard using the login link. So let's just go ahead and browse through the BitHarvest dashboard. So when you log in, this is what you're going to see. Obviously, it's going to be different depending on the Bitcoin performance and the BTH token performance. But yeah, basically it will look something like this. So just take your time and take a look at it. Take a look at your stats if you already have an active Bit Booster. In my case, I'm using a training account, a demo account, so that's why the balances are sitting at 0 there, right? So let's go straight to the menu here at the top. Obviously we are on the home page. If you want to see the list of your wallets, just click on wallet, and then as you might have seen in my deposit tutorial video, if you wanted to deposit funds, you would just click on deposit. If you want to withdraw some USDT from your BitHarvest wallet, just click on withdraw and then go ahead and make a withdrawal. So this is the list of the assets you might have in your wallet, in your USDT wallet, Bitcoin wallet, commission wallet if you are sharing BitHarvest with others and adding some commissions. And this is the register wallet. This is your BTH wallet. Once you've started to purchase some Bit boosters, you will also, in the process of buying the Bit boosters, you will also get some BTH tokens as well. So this is where you will see the balances are right here. Okay, let's go back to the menu at the top right there, and then go to boosters. Here you'll be able to see the list of the boosters that are available, the stats basically, and the performance, devices you might have that are active or inactive, and so on and so forth. Let's go back to the menu and go to buy boosters. So in my previous video, I did show you how to go about buying these Bit boosters. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure that you watch it. Just go back to the menu here and then go to the About Us page. The About Us page will actually give you more information about BitHarvest. BitHarvest is a leading provider of Bitcoin mining acceleration services and a dedicated platform for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investment opportunities. We offer a user-friendly mining solutions to enable broad participation in Bitcoin mining while ensuring the security and stability of the Bitcoin network. So this is the team behind, this is the core team behind BitHarvest. They are transparent, as you can see. Just go ahead and read and learn more about them. These are the articles that were featured on different publications. This is the CEO, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's go back and click on the menu here. Referral link. This is where you'll be able to get your own referral link that you can share with other people who might be interested in stacking Bitcoins on a daily basis. So just click and share your link or your QR code if that's what you want to do. It's not a must, but you might earn even more Bitcoin when you get some referral commissions. If you want to view your referral tree, you would go here. If you want to see the announcements, this is where they are listed. And if you want to take a look at the events that are ongoing or coming up, the dates are displayed over here. Just go ahead and take a look at what is coming up in terms of the events, and also you can even watch or take a look at the previous or ended events right there. Let's go back to the menu and events. We saw the events referral. Of course, if you have some referrals, you'll be able to see the stats over here. Let's go back. Support ticket. If you want to write to the support team and maybe get some help if you're having some challenges, this is where you do that. As you can see, this is a clean dashboard. It's so easy to navigate, saying. So If you want to check the languages that are available, this is where you would do that, but we will stay with English because that's the only language I understand here. Account, this is where you can update your account. If you want to do some updates on your account, for example, you can change your profile pic by click on there and then click on this little icon there, and then you can navigate to the nice logo you want to use as your profile pic there. As you can see, I just did my one, just updated my one here. You can update your name, first name, last name, cell number. You can't change your email address, and then once you have made some changes, just click on update profile. If you go back a little bit, this is where you'll be able to add your withdrawal wallets. For instance, if you want to withdraw from a BitHarvest to your Binance, to your Vala, whatever wallet you are using, maybe Coinbase, just make sure that you copy and paste the correct receiving address in these fields. If you're using a mono wallet, you can just enter your email address here. And if you are using, as I said, Binance, Coinbase, or any other wallet that allows you to receive USDT through these blockchains, just plug in your receiving addresses there. And when you are doing your first withdrawal, I would like to recommend that you first do a small withdrawal as a test. And once your funds arrive to your specified wallet address, then you can then withdraw a big amount. So just you add them once and update, they will stay here. Whenever you want to make a withdrawal, the system will know where to send your funds. If you want to change your password, this is where you would come. If you want to change your security password, this is where you would set up your security password if you haven't. In my case, I haven't on this demo account, so this is where you set it for the first time and come back here if you want to update it to something else. Also, it's important to also enable your two-factor authentication as well. So make sure that you do that to protect your account. Alrighty, if you want to log out, obviously you just click on log out to sign out of your account. Righty, and for now, to be honest, I don't know anything about the BitHarvest card, but I will take my time as well and go through. And if you want to take a look at the leaderboard, top 15 of the people who are leading, you will be able to see that over right here. Maybe one day you'll also be one of the leaders over there. Let's go back one more time. BTH swap, this is a swap feature that you can use to swap between Bitcoin. I'm not sure what is this CW thing here. You know what I mean? To be honest, I haven't used this one here to swap, but obviously it allows you to swap between these different cryptocurrencies over right here. Community, if you want to go and take a look at the community page, you just click on that button and another page will be displayed for you to be able to take a look at the BitHarvest community. In this case, it's not going to show properly because the recording area that I'm using is only capturing a small portion of the community page, but on your side, when you click on community, you'll be able to see this page properly displayed in full. It's a beautiful page. Take your time to go through it and check the tabs at the top here. There is home, info, download center, and so on and so forth. When you are on this page in full mode. In my case, as I said, it's showing like this because I'm just using a small portion to record this video tutorial, so it's not displaying in full, but it's a beautiful page. Let's go back to the dashboard. Obviously, again, if you want to sign out of your BitHarvest account, just click on there to sign out. Let's go back home. Right at the bottom of your BitHarvest dashboard, there is a home community. That's the page we just viewed. So I'm not going to go back there again, but again, just take your time to go through. The wallets, we've already seen the wallets page that shows the list of all the wallets and the balances you might have. The home page obviously takes you back to the home page dashboard, and the boosters, if you want to take a look at the boosters, we saw this before. And obviously, if you want to add more boosters in order for you to be able to accumulate even more Bitcoin on a daily basis, just click on pages, just like I demonstrated in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure that you watch that video and come here to add more boosters to boost your earnings, basically. So that's all that I wanted to show you in this video, just walking you through the BitHarvest dashboard real quick. It's a very clean, professional, and easy to navigate dashboard, as you saw right here. navigating with you. So take your time to browse through and familiarize yourself with it. The name is MTG. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.